Assalamualaikum. My name is Tuan Nurul Izzah bint Yusuf, metric number PC1065. This is our group, group 10. This is our group members. The title of our group is about human resources management and patronage employee organization citizenship behavior. Okay, the research question: do skilled and capable workers guarantee achievement compared to unskilled and not capable workers? This is the second and default of research question. Okay, the research objective to assess whether skilled and capable employees better in achievement than unskilled and not capable employees. This is the second and default of research objective. Okay, the conceptual framework, citizenship behavior of patronage employee or organizations divide two independent and dependent variables. Independent green human resource management, which is environmental training program, environmental management improvement, and environmental objective. The dependent variables, which is organizational citizenship behavior for the environment, which is effectively environmentally conscious behavior contribute positively. Okay, the research hypothesis to research about human resources management and patronage employee or organization citizenship behavior. This is the second and the third of research hypothesis. Okay, the data analysis, table 1 show the profile of sample individual of the survey data. Okay, this is the table 1. Female show the highest percentage with 52.94%. The highest percentage of ethnic from Malay, 78.43%. The highest age from 21 until 30 years, which is 47.06%. The highest education from degree, which is 39.22%. The highest job activity from marketing or sales show the percentage 27.45%. The highest occupational sector from manufacturing 90.61%. The highest position from middle management 35.29%. The working experience 2 until 5 years with a percentage 27.45%. The highest average money income from 1,501 until 3,000 with a percentage 39.22%. The total of sample respondent of the survey data 51 respondent.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Anissa Zina Sore. I will continue present about the descriptive statistic explanation. The table 2 is show a basic descriptive variable and statistic with minimum, maximum, mean and standard deviation values. The data was collected from 51 respondents from the private sector employees, and the respondents have answered the question in two categories, which green human resource management and organizational citizenship behavior of environment. According on finding, the minimum and maximum value are constant for all construct, which is 1 for minimum and 7 for maximum. The descriptive statistic data for mean show the highest and the lowest, which is the highest mean at organizational behavior of the environment, which value of 6.020, and the lowest of mean is at the green human resource management, which a value of 5.529. Next is the highest standard deviation is at green human resource management, which value is 1.554. And the lowest of standard deviation at organizational citizenship behavior is with a value of 1.122. From this, we know that the gap between the highest and lowest value of standard deviation is 0.432. I will pass to the next presenter, and that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ainul Azhar binti Ibrahim. ID number PC19064. I will continue our presentation with table 3 about statistic for descriptive purpose and normality testing. Under the descriptive statistic, we got the mean of the human resources management is 5.6887 and the standard deviation is 1.25109. And the mean of the organizational citizenship behavior, we got 5.8275 and the standard deviation is 1.13580. Next, the structural equation modeling. First, measurement model assessment, construct validity. Construct a degree of validity is to determine whether the test result or instrument accurately reflect the many dimensions they are trying to evaluate. In studies, building validity is one of the three forms of proof of validity in the traditional model of the validity of the test, along with the validity of the content and validity of the criteria. Second is convergent validity. The ability of tools to measure construction association with other construction measures can be referred to as convergent validity. The outer loading must be 0.708 or above, which is a typical criterion for excellent convergent validity. It must also be more than 0.50 at the value average variance extracted. This is about the figure 1. Is initial PLS PET model.
Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera to my madam and my friends. My name is Norhani Basira binti Muhammad Norman Sumina. My metric number PC190CX. I want to explain about table 4. Table 4 is referred to our loading, cross-base alpha, CR, and AVE. The data I get from IBM. Next, table 4 shows that the internal load is more than 0.6. The human resources management value in terms of Cronbach alpha obtained was 0.973. While for composite reliability, it was 0.977 and the average variance was 0.844. Finally, the organizational citizen behavior construct show Cronbach alpha obtained is 0.981, while in the composite reliability value is 0.983 and the average variance extract value is 0.852. Because they accept the standards, the value in table 4 are valid and reliable. Next, I want to explain about the discriminant validity. When the criteria or dependent variable is category and the predictor or independent variable, discriminant analysis is utilized by the research to examine the study data. Discriminant analysis is a statistic tool for determining whether data's classification is additive in relation to research data. It is used by academics to analyze the data at a cutting point in time using a dependent variable or criteria. That's category and independent variable or predictor is an interval. The table 5 shows discriminant validity from heterogeneous monotric ratio statistics. The table 5 shows OCBE is 0.60. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Atika binti Rahman. I want to continue my part that is hypothesis. Hypothesis 1 is that positive effect relationship between human resource management to work patterns and employee organization citizenship behavior. That is a table set about summary hypothesis testing. Table set is show about summary hypothesis testing using SMART PLS for direct and indirect effect. Hypothesis 1 is directly effect on relationship between human resource management toward patronage, employee, organization, citizenship behavior, which supported by t-value equal 80.082 and p-value equal 0. The hypothesis 1, there are significant relationship between human resource management toward patronage, employee, organization, citizenship behavior. The result research indicated the human resource management has considerable impact on patronage, employee, organization, citizenship behavior. All of the value and p-value are relevant. Confidence interval toward both 2.50% and 97.50% to be positive. Outcome for all direct effect hypothesis is support. I want to continue about interpret R square value. There is a table 7 show about R square value of organization citizenship behavior patronage employee using the PLS. R square that is higher than R adjusted square. R square is 0.715 and between R adjusted square is 0.709. That is a best successful model because R square is higher than R adjusted square. That's all for me. Thank you.